One step. What's going on? Step, step. Okay. Step. The step. Another step. Please tell me what is going on. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Step, step. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. I'll let you know. Okay. Is that yes. What is this?
Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God! Your brand new car. You know, this is all for your good work and all your hard work.
Oh wow. Wow.
How do you
Oh
feel?
my God. I feel so excited. In fact, today's feast there at Sister Angela's house, I'll be the first person. And don't forget, Brother Anthony, he's got his feast tomorrow, 6 p.m. Don't miss it. House feast, don't miss it. And remember, Brother Nathan, he's got feast after Christmas like this. After we talk Christmas, the next
And
day,
I know you'll be there. The first person there.
I'll be there. That's why I'm very, very active.
Trust you. Wonderful. There you go. This is your your brand new car.
Walk for God, He will walk for you. In your youthful age, now there is time. Verily, this is music.
Oh, sister, before you go in, 1 second, I just want to get one or two information.
Okay.
So, how good are you with the choir practice attendance?
It's about to go.
I've been coming to choir practice.
Yeah.
Sister. I've been coming to choir practice.
You've been coming to choir practice?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes.
Let us just check something quickly. You know, we had the competition recently.
God, I bet.
You know, and we were practicing the parent song for over 4 months. I just want to find out if you know this song very well. Yeah?
I know the song. You don't need to find out. I know it.
Now just run through the chorus part of the song. Just run through the chorus part.
Now pray for me.
The chorus.
Love me.
Let's have it.
The chorus for this one.
The chorus.
Well, let me see.
Sister, now you say you don't learn song. You've learned the song very well.
Yes.
That's the song that we learned for 4 weeks. Sing the chorus. Okay, just sing the beginning of the song for me first.
Choir, just tune the song. Tune the song.
Most holy.
Because this car, I must win it. I
no.
won this car.
Run that
Small
line.
common song cannot hinder me from
Run that first line.
most holy.
What be this?
Most holy.
Jesus.
Most holy.
Remind me, what part do you sing again?
Well, I sing.
That one sound more like Bezu. Let me just hold.
Why you want to follow?
No, let me just hold on to this thing for 1 second.
Why I shall this song? I know the song.
Now when you run
know the song.
Okay, now all you have to do is just run the song. You run that song.
I know the song. This song, I know it.
Okay, now let's just settle this once and for all. Sister, you know the song, right?
Yes.
Run that song for me, please.
Sister, you don't know this song. You don't know the song, sister. You can never know this song. Sister, you can't know the song.
Run the song for me.
Yes, she does not know.
Most holy and most righteous God, I want to indulge in your divine favor. Fill me with your love.
Sister, why are you like this?
Sister, come. It looks like this car belongs to you. Yeah? It looks like you're giving yourself. So we are going to hand over this car.
And they never leave you.
Sister, don't worry. We'll bring you fish from the house blessing. Since you like house blessing very much. We'll bring you fish.
My village people.